Welcome back to the Patriot Arms channel. Today we have the Cimarron 45 Long Colt. We're going to be shooting this, and as you can see, it is pretty cold out here, so I'm going to try to keep this short. Okay, we're at one that didn't go off, so let's see why that one didn't go off. Looks like a light primer strike, so we'll try that one again. What the heck? Let's load it up again. Oh, we got two more that didn't want to go off. Looks like light primer strikes. Show you the comparison of what it looks like when light primer strike versus one that went off. Gonna try to get these to go off, see what happens. I don't know, does it have something to do with the cylinder, or if the hammer's just not hitting hard enough? Sounds like the neighbors are getting excited. Oh, that one went. Got one more. Let's put this one back in the same cylinder. Oh, let's see. Something's catching somewhere. I'll unload it and show you. The hammer's not going all the way forward, so it's empty. So when it's not firing, it's no, it's not doing it. Huh. But when it wasn't firing, it was only, instead of going in tight like there, it was staying back about a little bit, so it wasn't pushing the firing pin all the way through. And making it go off. So let's see if we can get it to make them go off here. Okay, we're perfectly lined up. See, there it did it. And then when I release, see, it moved forward more. So I'm not sure what the heck's going on here.
Let's get it, dude.
So if you fan it, it actually works. Okay. I even hit the target the one time, as you could hear. I mean, it's a pretty sharp looking gun, but it's not working 100% properly, so that's one that I borrowed. I'll have to see if he's had any problems with it. I'm gonna go get, that was Arms Core, so I'm gonna go get some Aguila. I got some Aguila ammo here. Gonna try that, see if it does the same thing, or if it was the ammo. Okay, we got some Aguila 200 grain. I'll show you what it looks like. The other stuff was 255 grain. So, see if this works any better, or if we run into the same problem. Way less recoil. One. I think that one was already fired. Okay, let's see if this one will go off. Huh, that's weird. Thing's a little bit touchy.
Yes.
Colder than a brass monkey on the North Pole. As you can see, we got some snow here in Ohio. It is in the mid-teens temperature. Well, that one worked.
That's money.
It's 200 grain. Whew, that stuff is dirty too. Look at that. Stuff gets real dirty. Gonna have to clean this thing after I'm done. But 200 grain is way lighter recoiling than 255 grain from Arms Core. But I'm gonna grab some more, a reload of each, and we'll be back. Let's see how effective this thing is against the pumpkin. First one, we got a 255 grain Arms Core, and the second one we got the Aguila 200 grain. entry hole, 255 and 200. 255 grain is a little bit bigger entry hole. Exit is about the same. Well, there you have it. Scientific. You'll have a little bit bigger exit hole on the heavier grain. That's some good science. Okay, we're back. We got 6 rounds loaded up of the arms core, 255 grain. Let's do some real cowboy stuff here.
Street money, dude. I'm out.
I think that's it. Okay, let's do another reload at the 255 grain. It's kind of fun just fanning that thing, but got to make sure that the hammer goes all the way back. Oh, and by the way, this is what 255 grain looked like. Let tip, ball ammo. Okay, some real cowboy stuff.
That's money.
Not quite as accurate as the old westerns used to be, but you know, feel like I should have wore a cowboy hat for this. But you know, it's a little bit too cold to be wearing a cowboy hat out here. Need to keep myself warm. Now we got some Aguila 200 grain. Stuff's a little less recoiling, so this is too much fun. Now let's put 6 more through this thing and see how fast we can shoot them. Hopefully they all go off. Okay. One out of 6 ain't too bad. I think that's gonna pretty much be about all I'm gonna do today, because it is cold out here today, and I need to go warm up a little bit before I come back out here and shoot. So yeah, it's a pretty nice gun. I don't know much about it, to be honest with you. I didn't really do any research. I guess I should have looked into it more, but all I know is it's a Cimarron Colt, 45 Long Colt, and it's a pretty nice looking pistol. old Western style. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.